Dean Davison, Storm Surge LLC lead forecaster, live weatherblocks.com. Time for weather. Severe weather update here. We're going to take a look at a high-risk area from Chicago to Indianapolis here into Ohio, and a moderate risk even into Pittsburgh. This is for potential for extremely damaging winds and tornadoes, some of which may be violent. You can take a look at the tornado risk here, and unbelievable for this time of year. Extreme tornado potential. Wind-wise, just spread it out. And hail, of course, in Illinois is the best spot for it. So what's going to happen here? We're going to look at this severe weather pattern. This is for today. And you see a slight risk. It's in the Roanoke, it's in the Philly, it's in New York City, and this is for mainly the overnight hours. What's going to happen is this is going to turn, a lot of these supercells that form over the Ohio Valley will turn linear, and we're talking about a squall line with strong, damaging winds, even some isolated tornadoes, but much weaker than what we're expecting out here in the Midwest. This will be a line, a quasi-linear convective system, which will basically be, or an MCS, or mesoscale convective system, which will allow there to be strong damaging winds along a line, and in that line we may have portions that twist, which may cause some weak tornadoes, and that would be your main threat here on the East Coast, which is Philadelphia, D.C., Baltimore, Roanoke, and this will probably push east, so we'll probably see it for most of Virginia. This will be the overnight hours, but today, the main plots out here in Indianapolis and Indiana, strong, possibly violent tornadoes developing there, moving through Ohio and possibly western Pennsylvania, western New York, and then turning more linear and being more of an issue for the East Coast. We'll take a look now at some other things, some upper air maps and some plots. This is very good. Look at the low-level winds here. This is in Illinois. Look at this low-level wind, strong low-level winds. It's change with height, increase. And that's what you need for a tornado out, or tornadoes. It looks very good here on the sounding plot. We're going to go to another sounding plot now. This is Roanoke. I'm not looking at like so much tornadoes, but we are looking. You see all this high wind here coming down to the surface. There is changing winds with height. We do have to watch for an isolated tornado, but our main issue is going to be winds that come down to the surface and cause damage that way this evening. Why this is a concern, we have this strong jet stream coming in, jet streaking coming along here with westerly winds. We go to the surface now. Look at the issues. South winds, southeast winds, backing. Southeast winds are bad. It's a backing issue. That's good for tornadoes, and you can see that's all the way basically over here through the Roanoke Valley, and we're in a slight risk area. And this will become more predominant for the wind and the isolated possibility of tornadoes later. This is reasoning for it. You can see strong south, low-level jet, 90 to 100 knots. We will keep you updated here throughout the day here at Live Weather Blogs, Storm Surge LLC, for liveweatherblogs.com. This is lead forecaster D&D Davison. Stay safe and listen to your National Weather Service for local warnings here in anywhere in the severe weather area, and even into the overnight time frame tonight in the East Coast. Have a good night. Bye.